Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing trusted online money-making sites where you can make $500 a day. In today's digital age, making money online has become a popular and accessible option for people looking to earn a little extra cash or even make a full-time income. However, with so many scams and false promises out there, it can be difficult to know where to start. But don't worry, we've done the research and found some legitimate and trusted online money-making sites. So, let's get started. 1. Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular freelance marketplace where you can offer your services and skills to businesses and individuals around the world. Fiverr offers a wide range of categories, such as graphic design, writing, social media marketing, web development, and more. Once you create an account on Fiverr, you can create gigs or services that you offer to buyers. You set your own prices and work on your own schedule. Fiverr takes a 20% commission on each order, but you can earn anywhere from $5 to over $1,000 per gig. Top-rated sellers on Fiverr can make over $10,000 per month. 2. Upwork. Upwork is another popular freelance platform that connects businesses with freelancers. You can find projects in a wide range of categories, such as writing, graphic design, programming, and virtual assistants. Once you create a profile on Upwork, you can search for jobs that match your skills and apply to them. Upwork offers a payment protection program that guarantees payment for completed work. Upwork takes a 20% commission on each order, but you can earn anywhere from a few $100s to several $1,000s per month. 3. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards program that allows you to earn points, or SPs, for completing online surveys, watching videos, playing games, and shopping online. You can then redeem your points for gift cards or cash through PayPal. While you won't get rich using Swagbucks, it's a great way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Some Swagbucks users report earning up to $300 per month. 4. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a crowdsourcing platform where businesses and individuals can outsource small tasks to a global workforce. Tasks can range from simple data entry to more complex tasks such as writing and research. The pay for each task varies, but some users have reported earning over $500 per week on Amazon Mechanical Turk. 5. YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform that allows creators to earn money through the YouTube Partner Program. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply to join the program. You can then monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. While it takes time and effort to build a successful YouTube channel, there are many creators who make a full-time income from their channels, earning over $500 per day. These 5 trusted online money-making sites offer a range of opportunities to earn money from the comfort of your own home. While some sites may require more skills or experience than others, there's something for everyone. Remember that making money online requires effort and dedication, but with the right mindset and tools, you can build a successful career online. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below with your favorite online money-making site or any tips you have for making money online. By subscribing, you'll be notified of our future videos and stay up to date on the latest online money-making opportunities. Your comments and feedback help us create content that is relevant and helpful to our viewers. So don't be shy and let us know what you think.